Daudi, and I'm here. You have to look your best for people to say, hey, nataka niongee na huyu msanii, either he or she. You have to look your best. You have to look your best because the reality is nobody cares about like huko ndani ndani, the beauty side of you. People don't see the beauty inside of you. The reality is ni kwamba watu wanaanga nini? Watu wanaanga tu appearance yako, watu wanaanga design yako, watu wanaanga vile unajipresent, watu wanaanga vile unatembea. Hiyo tu pekee ndio watu wanaanga. Na acha nikwambie kitu moja, vile mtu atakutibu inadepend na vile unajitibu. Usipojiheshimu wewe mwenye, usipojiheshimu, ukilenga kujiheshimu hakuna mtu atakuheshimu. But ukijiheshimu kizaidi na kujipenda walai, watu wataanza kukupenda. Usiwahi make a mistake kwa hii mtaani na ukianza kusema that I have achieved everything. Never live with that mentality that you've achieved everything. You have not achieved everything. You still have a long way to go. And someone might tell you that you have a long way to go, but it's the truth. Don't let the position that you hold make you think like you've achieved everything. You've not achieved everything. There's still a chance for you to grow. But I will remind you, I will tell you this. How people will treat you is a reflection of how you treat yourself. Show yourself respect. Respect yourself is the key. So ukiona mtu ana react hivi, ana react ABCD, ABCD, the question you need to ask yourself, why are they reacting that way? And sometimes it has reached a certain point, you cannot point fingers on him or her. That's him, ha, nini. That's reached a certain point whereby you need to point at yourself and ask yourself, am I backsliding or am I succeeding? Hata sometimes nikijiangalia hii ni kama kioo, alafu najiulizanga swali ngumu. Am I backsliding? Ama I'm succeeding? You have to look at the situation. What are you facing each day? Each day, what are you facing each day in a certain situation? What are you facing? And you have to ask yourself, if this is what I'm going through, am I backsliding or I'm succeeding? You can tell by the situation, by what you're facing in that situation. Whatever you're facing in that situation, you can tell if either you're backsliding or you're not backsliding. But let me tell you something. If you want to know the real people in your life, have issues, have problems. Have issues, have problems. You'll know the real people and you'll know the unreal people. You know the people who like you, you know the people who don't like you. Watakushauri wana feel kuhusu wewe. Na hivyo ndivyo wamefeel. Right? Hiyo feelings amekudungia, hiyo feelings amekurushia. Fanya aje? Record. The feeling amekurushia. Sometimes you have to act like a fool to see if they really mean what they say. If they're really for you or they're not for you, you can tell. Go through hell and you see how they're going to react. Dark times will show you real friends and fake friends. But let me tell you something. Nobody will ever tell you to make friends. Bad people will tell you to make people never tell you to make friends. Sorry. People will tell you to make friends, but they will never tell you to make real friends. So hii matope yote unapitia, potholes mingi unapitia, kuna sababu. It's meant to build you. It's meant to build you. It's okay kupitia unoma, but kitu baya ni mtu amue kujinyonga. So jinyonge, no, bado kuna chance ya kuishi. You have to look at every situation, entire situation you are going through, and sometimes you need to ask yourself if you are backsliding ama au backslide. And sometimes before you go to bed, you have to ask yourself, how has your day been? It's time to style up. It's time to style up. Ni kujinvest. But always know that if you're going through a situation na unasikia like haushibi, then it means something is consuming you. Something is consuming you. Or there's something that you normally do. And what you normally do, it has to stop. How people treat you is a reflection of how you treat yourself. And I always know that kama unapita unoma, then there's something you're lacking. There must be something you're lacking. And just know that there are going to be people wataona the potential in you. And there are going to be people who will celebrate your downfalls. Let me repeat again. There will be people, they will celebrate your success, and there will be people who will celebrate your downfall. Kuna wale watakucheck in dark times, kuna wale watakucheck in good moments. Wale wanakucheck in good moments, don't be surprised that in dark times, sikuange surprised, watakwambia bye bye. Sawa? Nadigi chonjo chonjo, but point yangu ni nobody cares about urembo ile iko ndani yako. Nobody's interested in that. I learned that nilisoma hiyo stuff the hard way. Watu waangalianga appearance yako, vile una dress, vile unang'ara, vile unatembea, design yako. Watu waangalianga hiyo story. Wataangalia tu appearance yako, vile umedress. Hawataangalia kile iko ndani yako. Hawataangalia story yako. Kila watu wanataka tu ni results. Kile tu watu wanataka ni results. Watu wanatakanga results. Watu wanatakanga results. Lakini waangalie kile iko ndani yako, hawataangalia. Wataangalia tu appearance yako. So vile mtu atakutreat, vile mtu atakutibu ina depend na appearance yako. How do you appear in front of the crowd? Na wako chonjo, wameshafanya calculation, wamekucalculate na wameconclude wewe ni nani. And let me tell you something. Watagonga picha, how you dressed. They're looking at that. They won't tell you. They may not tell you. Sometimes you may call people bad people. Sometimes you may be calling people wrong people. Hey, uko hivi, uko hii design, and unaweza waambia ni kama wanakutusi, wanakuhangaisha. But could you kindly take time and ask yourself, why are they reacting the way they are reacting? These people might have already answered your question. They might have already answered your question. But let me tell you something. In dark times, utajua nani besta wako, nani sio besta wako. But once again, tarudia tena. Usidedi. Because someone, he or she is waiting to hear your story. Peace.